What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be talking about adding negative fractions. We'll try to make this quick, couple of minutes. Finish off that there. So adding negative fractions. So a couple things we need to remember is we got to remember that we need our common denominators when we're adding and subtracting fractions. So when we start out with our first example here, we're going to have negative 3/4 plus a negative 1/7. So when we have two math signs in a row, a plus and a minus, we need to convert this into one single math sign. So when we do that, the way I remember it is I do this, make a little face out of the signs. He's got an eye shot out, so he's a sad smiley face, which is going to make it a subtraction. I know it's kind of goofy, but helps me remember. So now I have negative 3/4 minus 1/7. So we simplified the equation. So from here, we can just subtract. But we can't do it until we have common denominators. So when I find the factors of 4, I have 2 and 2. And then the factors of 7, I have 1 and 7. So when you find all the factors, we multiply those all out. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 times 7 to find our common denominator of 28. So once we have 28, we're going to put those on the bottom of our fraction and start setting up our final equation. So we found out that 7 went into 28 4 times, so we multiply it by 4 over 4, which is just the same thing as multiplying by 1. And we get 4 over 28. On the left side, we have negative 3/4. It became, we multiplied the 4 by 7, so we do times 7 over 7. And this becomes a negative 21 over 28. So we didn't change our fractions at all. We just enlarged them. So it's the same decimal, but a different fraction. So now we can subtract. So if I'm at negative 21 over 28, and I'm subtracting 4 more 28s, I'm going to end up at 25 over 28, and these are all going to be negative. And that is how you subtract negative or add negative fractions.